Assalamualaikum, my students. This is your Sanjida ma'am, your English language grammar teacher of class 1. I hope you all are doing well and you are enjoying your online classes. So today we are going to discuss about our new chapter, that is chapter 3, pronouns. So I think the word pronouns, you are quite familiar with this word because I think you are starting from junior KG, senior KG, now you are in class 1. But today we are going to discuss about this pronoun in details. Okay, so let's start it. Pronouns. So pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. Pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. For example, my name is Sanjida. I am your teacher. So, in this sentence, Sanjida is a noun and I is instead of the noun Sanjida. Okay? For example, the next one here, David goes to city public school. He is in class 4. So David is a noun and here he is used in place of this David. Okay, so David is a noun and he is a pronoun, so he is using instead of this noun David. Then the next one, this is my cat Fluffy. So Fluffy is a noun. It is small and white. It is a pronoun and it is used in place of Fluffy. Okay, so this is how pronoun can be used. But pronoun can be singular or plural. Okay, so pronoun can be used as singular or it can be used as plural also. For example, here, okay, so here's singular pronouns. We use singular pronouns to talk about only one person, or singular pronouns are I, you, when only one. So he, she and it. Okay, so I'm making you understand. I is one person, he is one person, she is one person and it is one. Okay, so here when we are using about a singular thing, then we can use this word like I, you, he, she and it. But you, as we know, you can be used in both times. You can be also singular, you can be also plural. But when we are using the singular pronouns, we use you when it is only one. For example, here, I like ice cream. So I is one person, that's why we are using here as singular pronouns. He is at school. He is also here one person, that's why he is a pronoun, that's why we are using as singular pronouns. It is heavy. So it, here it is also a singular number, that's why we are using here as singular pronoun. You are my friend. So here, see, you, here you means like there is one person whom I'm talking. You are my friend. So you is a one person and it is used as singular pronouns. So then the next one, she is my sister. So again, she is a singular pronoun, like one person. She is a one person, that's why we are using at singular pronouns. So like this, when we are talking about singular pronouns, then we can use this like I, he, it, you, she. Okay, So it can be used as singular pronouns. Then let's go to the plural pronouns. Okay, so this is plural pronouns. We use plural pronouns when talking about more than one person or thing. For example, plural pronouns are you. So as I have said before, like you can be used in case of both singular and plural. So here we will use you as more than one or as plural. Then we and they. Okay, so we means like many of us, that is we used to mention like we. They also it's more than one, so it is plural. For example, here you can see Priya, Hema and Lalit go for a picnic. So here three of them, right? Priya, Hema and Lalit. So that's why it's more than one and we are using they. They go for a picnic. Simple as like Priya, Hema, Lalit, there is more than one, that's why we are using they, because it's plural. They go for a picnic. Then the next one, Lata and I are tired. So Lata and I, like here this means like we are this talking about us. When I will be mentioned and when it is will mentioned with other also, then the word instead of noun we will use we. Okay, so Lata and I are tired, so it's more than one, that's why we are using we are tired. Okay, what are Anna and Jim doing? So here Anna and Jim is more than one, that's why we are using here you. So what are you doing? So see, Anna and Jim, that is more than one, two person, so it's plural, and you, and we are using you here as plural pronouns. So now we can say like in case of plural pronouns we can use you, we and they. Okay, so in case of plural pronouns we can use you, we and they, and in case of singular pronouns we can use I, you, he, she and it. Okay, so these are all about pronouns, singular pronouns and plural pronouns. So I think you are much more clear about this chapter. Okay, so how I think it will be more clear, it will be more helpful for to make you to understand about this chapter. I wish you can do the exercises very well, inshallah. Okay, so thank you all of you. Bye and take care. Allah Hafiz.